Is your appliance broken? Need a reliable technician? Introducing your local appliance repair solution. We have local repair technicians standing by in your city. Is your appliance on its last legs? No problem. We can fix it while saving you money too, with a free service call with repair. So why us? How about licensed and insured, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, truck stocked with the parts you need. We repair all appliance brands. Technicians are close by for same-day service. 5-star reviews all around the web. Refrigerators, wash dryers, dishwashers, ovens. We do it all and better than anyone else. We're the highest rated appliance repair company, hands down. Just look at what our happy customers are saying about us. Got great same-day service. I didn't have to wait weeks for my part. Give us a call today. We're standing by.